In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Figma account step by step so you can get started designing, collaborating, and building in one of the most popular design tools online. Whether you're a complete beginner or you just want to set up a fresh account the right way, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and quickly. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Figma signup page. You can simply search for Figma signup in Google or go directly to the official Figma website and choose the signup option. Once the page loads, you'll see the main account creation options. Figma makes this really simple, and the fastest way to get started is by clicking Continue with Google. When you choose Continue with Google, Figma will ask you to sign in with your Google account. This is useful because it gives you instant access without needing to manually create a separate username and password right away. Select the Google account you want to use and then carefully review the permission screen that appears. This is the authorization step, where Google and Figma connect your account so you can log in securely. Once you're happy with the permissions, confirm the access and continue. After that, Figma will move you into the onboarding process. This is where you personalize your account for the first time. You'll be asked to enter your name, so type in the name you want associated with your Figma profile. Next, Figma will ask how you plan to use the platform. You may see options related to your role, such as design, product work, education, or general use. Choose the primary role that best matches what you'll be doing in Figma, because this helps tailor the experience to your needs. Then, Figma will ask you to select a plan. For most new users, the best option to start with is the free starter plan. This gives you a great way to explore Figma without paying anything up front. It's perfect if you want to learn the interface, create your first project, or test out the platform before upgrading later. Select the starter plan and continue through the setup process. Once you finish these steps, your Figma account will be ready to use. You'll be able to access your dashboard, start new files, and begin working inside Figma right away. From there, you can create designs, collaborate with teammates, and explore all the tools Figma offers for free and paid users. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.